Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and use DeepSeek AI on mobile or Android or iPhone devices. For that, you will have to open your Google Play Store or App Store, and here in the search bar, you need to simply search for DeepSeek. Now, once you search for it, you will see DeepSeek AI Assistant. So you simply need to tap on its icon, and then you need to tap on the install or get button over here. Afterwards, you will have to wait for some time until DeepSeek AI opens and installed. Now, once it is installed successfully, you just have to tap on the open button, and then you will be landed on the home page or the interface of DeepSeek AI. Now, it will ask you to first create your account here. So you can create your account with the help of your email address, your password, your phone number. So you can choose any of the options of your choice. Afterwards, you will be able to see the interface of DeepSeek that will look something like this. So the interface is quite clean, and it is also resonating with ChatGPT. So you can easily use it in your mobile device. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.